Hi, I received this NAD supplement as a gift so that I could try it out and give you my opinion about it. And this is really interesting. This is one of those NAD supplements that comes in a 1-dose packet, and this box has 30. So if you're watching this, you've probably already done your research on why NAD is good for you to take. And now you're searching for the right one for you. And I want to tell you why I like this one. So here we've got the ingredients in this one, which are all very good. And the pouch is pretty interesting. You can take this, think of it like 3 different ways. You can open the pouch and squeeze it in your mouth. You could open the pouch, squeeze it into a glass of water and take it that way. Or you could add it to a smoothie that you're taking already. So let me show you what it's like. So it's got the little tabs there so that it's a little bit easier to open. And I am going to squirt it into this glass so you can just see. So it's very liquidy. It's not like a syrup or, thick or anything. It's just liquid like water. It starts to dissolve immediately. And it has a pleasant fruity taste. And it's not very strong. It's a very, very mild fruity taste. So I like taking NAD in this form. I think it's really easy. It's a little bit easier for me, especially if you have trouble swallowing pills. You might consider something like this as well. So highly recommend it. Thanks.